Ready?
Mouses. Once upon a time, there were 3 white mouses.
Where are they?
And there was a cat, and then cat saw beautiful paint. And then it saw a cat. And then there saw paint. And it saw paint red. Yellow, blue. They tested every color. They found. And then, hey, it's my story. And then they step on. Wait, no. They jump in it. Jump in there. One jumped on their head, and one jumped on their feet, and one jumped on their head again. And then they flew, and then they stepped on paint. And there was all kinds. Boing. Like boing.
What do you think was, wait a second. So,
it's okay if they don't say that.
Jocelyn offensive because the carrots were bothering him.
And then there's
Why do you think the carrots wanted the fence?
And then they walk away from the cat. And then turn the page.
That's what's bothering them.
One steps on this rod and they curl. And then they turn to orange. And then the other one turns and make